What's going on, everybody? My name is Randall Ray and welcome back to the channel. So recently I posted my review of the Saddleman Slim LS. I used some footage from a Key West vlog that was pretty much ruined, combined it with the review I already wanted to do, and put that video out. I'll put that in the link above. So go and check that out if you haven't already. But when I got back from that trip, I received a gift. It was actually a ride bell. It's a small bell you mount onto a motorcycle. It's to fight off road goblins or evil spirits or what have you. It's a little superstitious item, which is very cool and was very sweet. It was just an amazing gift anyway. So I'm just going to show you my reaction when I actually received it. Alright, so I'm back here from my trip, and there's a package here from Amazon, and I'm the only person in the house that has an Amazon account. So if I didn't order it, it means that, like, I would have ordered it for somebody, even if it wasn't mine, right? So that I'm opening this package, and it's a Guardian bell, right, for a bike. I don't remember ordering one, but okay. So I start opening it up, and I find a note that I've now dropped, I think. Right? So it's backwards for you guys, but it says, "Stay safe, Cass." And at first I thought maybe my buddy Thomas Class sent me something, but then I realized that Cassie did. So thank you, Cassie. I'm opening it up right now, so hold on. Viking helmet skull. Okay, so here's just a little note that tells you about the road goblins and the legend of the ride bell. If you guys didn't know what that is, just look it up. I haven't looked yet. Oh, this is fucking sick. This is fucking sick, y'all. That's so cool. Thank you, Cassie. I'm literally gonna go put this on my bike right now. Thank you. You were the fucking best. I didn't mount it until now. My ride and my trip was about a month and a half ago. Just fantastic, but I pretty much just continued to procrastinate since I got back. When I first got it, I immediately ran outside, but I couldn't find any place that I really could mount it that was going to showcase it and let it be visible and things of that nature. So I just kept putting it off. Well, recently I was pretty much just reminded of it. It's been sitting in a box in my workshop here, and I was reminded of it about a week ago, and I just wanted to go ahead and get it on there before, God forbid something bad did happen. As I was kindly reminded of today, I've been taking my life into my own hands for the past month and a half, every day since I've been riding without this belt. So I ended up mounting it onto one of the bolts that hold on my foot controls on my right side. It's just a nice simple spot. It's hanging underneath the bike. It's nice. It's out of the way. It's not too low. And if there is anything to the superstition, it's on my bike and hopefully keeping me safe. But like I said, this video is going to be nice, short, and sweet. I'm going to go ahead and drop that there. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to click that like button. Subscribe if you aren't already. Comment below. Let me know if you have a ride bell or anything lucky that you make sure to carry on your person, even in your regular life or on your motorcycle or anything like that. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. My name is Randall Ray, and I will catch you on the next.